So as you can see that I have installed many of the softwares which I was talking about. So I have installed Python, I have installed Anaconda. This is Anaconda. I have installed GOW also. So GNU for Windows, and I have installed Python also. You might have updated version, but then you can start with those. So what I'm doing, I will install first of all Python. So just installing Python, though I've already installed it, but then I'll let you know how. So it will ask for the modify, repair, uninstall. But then if you install first time, it will just ask for the installation where you wanted to install. I'm canceling it. Same like Python, same like exactly like Anaconda. So it will work like so. Let me show you Anaconda also. It will also ask for the repair and something, but which is not required. So it is verifying the installer, and you can see that it will work. Yeah, exactly. So now you can see that. Though I have already worked on it. Let me close that, otherwise it will create problem for me. Yeah, I'm closing that. So I have already working with the Anaconda Navigator. It was I quit Anaconda. Yes, actually I wanted to quit it. Let's ask for the I agree, and then just next, and then it will ask for the location, destination folders. The same steps in Python also you will see. If I'll then okay, directory is not empty, please choose a different location, because I've already have Anaconda 3 over there, so I'm not working on it. So let me just cancel it. Now you know that how to install Anaconda. So these are the two steps by which we can we can install Anaconda and Python. Uh, these two are important. Why? Because we wanted to see that whether Anaconda and Python is working or not. You can install GOW also. So GNU on Windows, it will help us to know. So it will ask for some yes. Click on the yes, and then it's already installed. Do you want to remove it? I'll not remove it because I don't want to install it again. Okay, so basically, GOW allows you to use Linux commands on Windows, and that is why we are using it. Apache Spark, which actually we wanted to integrate with Jupyter, is better. It works better in Linux, but then we wanted to work in Windows or Mac, so that is why we have to have GOW in it. Okay, then now let me tell you that you just start your command prompt. So that is what command prompt is. Let me terminate this one. Let me terminate everything. So if I'm working something, so this one is for connection failed. Okay, done. Let me close everything. I'm closing everything. Let me close that also. Okay, now just go for the CMD command prompt. That's CMD. Please do not go for the Anaconda prompt. Just go with the command prompt. Okay, that's the user. So what you need to do, you need to download the Spark. So for downloading the Spark, do one thing. Just go to google.com and just download the Spark. Download Spark, and this is download Spark. It will open a new page, and then it will ask for the mirrors. So this is the version which I wanted to have, and this is pre-built Apache Hadoop. One more thing I wanted to tell you, that people says that is Hadoop required for installing Apache Spark? No, it is not. What you need to do, you just need to download Spark. It will ask for the mirror. I would rather suggest to use this first mirror only. So this Apache Spark also I have already installed. I have already downloaded. So here you can see I have already downloaded. Now just copy that and make a folder named Spark in your main main Windows. So what I have done, in C drive I have made a folder called Spark, which is there, or here I have saved this file, which you can see. Okay, and then I have unzipped also. So when I have unzipped it, this is the file which is after unzip, you can see. Now this everything is will be required for the next steps. After unzipping, what you have to do, so this is just a common thing. Do not in internet you will see that people are actually talking about codes, CMD codes, about how to copy that file, MV and then destination and then copy folder. I don't require that. The only thing which is required, just to copy uh, the Spark in your Windows folder, somewhere in the Windows folder with the name of the Spark or OPT Spark or whatever it is. You will find some different type of names over there. This Spark will be quite enough. Okay. And I'll tell you, and whenever we need CMD, then only I'll tell you to use CMD. Otherwise I'll tell you to use just Windows graphical user interface thing, kind of. Okay, so now you can see, so everything is there. So what we have done, we have done this, we have done that, we have unzipped also. This is the code for unzipping. I don't think so that we require this type of coding in Windows, so do not go for that. Yeah, one thing, you will have this. So we have to install one window utilities also. That is a file. So for this, what you can do, just either you can install download from the internet, but I would rather suggest, please copy this link, just paste it there, just paste in command prompt, and done. Just do that. Need not to worry about that, where we are working and what we are doing and something. We don't require it. Just download it. Okay. Now, so I don't require it, so I'm not using it. Now, one more thing, you have to use Java version also. Just check it out whether do you have Java version. Yeah, could not find load caused by java.lang. Okay, so it means Java is there. Okay, now but then you can see Java also by different methods, different way. One of the way is this. There are different ways to do that, Java and all. You just go to the internet and just go to the Google, and then you will see. Okay, now after if we do not have 8.0 Java, less than 8.0, please install 8.0 Java, and then use that Java version. Okay, after that you may be requiring this. So whatever, please remember what you need to do. You just need to copy and paste these codes. Just close this CMD first. Let me close this again. Let me call CMD. Okay, that's command prompt. Just remove that, and I have already given that. Just copy and paste it here. But then just remember one thing, that which version you are using. So if I'm using 0.1, I'll use 0.1. If I'm using 0.4, I'll just copy that 0.4. In my case, I'm using 0.4, so I'm using just 0.4. Just remember that only. Okay, because sometimes, and one more thing, you have to remember that which folder you're using. So I told you to just use Spark folder, so do not worry about any other folder, just go with the Spark folder only. Okay, do not worry about any other folder. Just so OPT you can remove. Sometimes some people says that go for the OPT, but then if you're using Spark only, so do one thing, just copy and paste it in command prompt and then press enter. Okay, it will one thing. Okay, just okay, done, and just press enter. Then after that, copy that and copy that. These four you have to copy and paste it here. Okay, now after that, just as I've told you, just please close command prompt as soon as you complete your task. After that, what you need to do, you need to actually change the path for the how to open Apache Hadoop. sorry, Apache Spark. So for changing the path, you need to, what you need to do, just need to call folder my computer, this PC, then system properties. This is about Windows 10. In different Windows, there's different options for doing it. What I do, I just go here and then setting environment variables, or just environment variable. Yeah, edit the system environment variables. You can see, just click on it, and you will see settings. So environment variables, click on the environment variables, and then click to the path. One second. Yeah, then click to the path, and then click edit, and the code which I have given, just copy that code. Again, remember that which version you're using. If you're using 0.4, you just use 0.4. But then from here, so just copy it and edit, not edit even. I have to go down, move down, move down, move down. So what I'll do, I'll just edit it. I suppose I need to do add. So what you can do, just type the variable name and just variable in the place of variable name, type path, and then in the place of variable value, just write this path and press OK. Okay, and then as soon as you press OK, it will work. So you will see that when you will press OK, here something is there. Now you can click on new also. So if you don't want to do that by that way, you can click on the new here and you can copy paste here also. So I'll not do it because I have already done it. It's there in my system. So I'm just clicking cancel, but you need to click OK. Okay, let me close that also. Okay, so now you can see that these are some versions, some styles of doing it. When everything is done, when you have done with everything, just close command prompt and again open the command prompt and just type PySpark and double dash master. Yeah, that's double dash. Huh? Local 2. You can just type PySpark also, but then okay, because we wanted to do local, we want to run it in local, so that is why I'm just writing this. But then if you're writing PySpark only, then too it will work, but it will take time if you're running it first time. So I'm also running it first time, so it will take time. It will take huge time.